Hi friends, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this episode, I would like to give you some highlights over the growing age of human being. We are all growing, human beings growing, growth is in progression. No one can stop growth or no one can reverse any growth. Growth is irreversible. So now, due to this growth, we face difficulties in our day-to-day life, especially when we grow old and people become senescent. This senescence brings many problems along with the age, and age is the factor. So we have to be prepared mentally, physically, in all ways to face the truth of the life. And this truth of the life is that when we grow senescence, there are elements which will live with us, especially the people live with, that is YLDS, years lived with disabilities. And in this disabilities, there are many disabilities, especially the one of the most important disabilities, the migraine. People live with migraine. The second one is COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. The third is diabetes and hypertension. This will not go. This will live with humanity, and it is irreversible. But you have to face all these difficulties with changes in the lifestyle. That is important to have a motto to change ourselves, change our eating habit, change our living, sleep, and exercise. These habits only can make us bold enough to face these disabilities. The fourth is hearing loss. So that hearing loss is a problem in old people. Same way, the another thing is anxiety and disorder, loss of memory, Alzheimer. These are things which are going to come to our life. The sixth one is neck pain, spondylitis. The seventh is musculoskeletal disorder. So in this musculoskeletal disorder, there are so many things like frozen shoulder, osteoporosis, and fractures. These fractures, they have to live with the fracture, and it is very slow process to heal. So once the fracture comes, it takes long time to get healed. So here in this episode, I would like to give how to handle these ailments with homeopathy, common homeopathic medicines. There are medicines which can make our life easy. In this common, so problem wise, I will tell you in my future episode, in my future videos, you will get some input, some important medicine and their symptoms, and you can control yourself without going into any complication. So here, next episode, I am going to talk with you the urinary problem. In old age, the urinary problem is very distressing, and people lose control over urination. That dribbling starts, and they will and have to get up in the night. So this urinary problem. There are so many problems which so many people, different people face different problems. Dysuria, UTI, urinary tract infection, prostate hypertrophy, erection dysfunction. So these are the things which come in the life, and we can face this with simple medicine, common medicine, and this medicine are very common, and it is in practice. So in the further video, you will hear the medicine, inshallah.